Hello everyone, welcome to this problem where we are given that this point here is both a solution for both lines that is given in the equation. Therefore, find the value of Q. So step 1, I am going to substitute this 2Q into this line here and see what it looks like. Meaning that the x I'm going to put as 2, the y I'm going to put as q. 5 times 2 minus 4. Oh, okay. And I can get my value of answer pretty soon. Divide by 2 on both sides. Done. Now I'm going to try and substitute the same into here. But now I know that the value of q is 3. I'm going to do that now into 3x plus y equals to k and see what happens. So this is my x, this is my y. 3 times 2 plus 3 equals to k. Oh, I got my answer. Therefore, k is equals to 9. We have come to the end of this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.